Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be explaining how you can get points or earn points in Fantasy Premier League. So let's get right into it. Now, the way you earn points in any fantasy sport and Fantasy Premier League just the same is by having your players who you have chosen for your fantasy team perform well in real life games. So for example, some of the factors which go into performance in Fantasy Premier League are of course goals, assists, saves, and things like that. Generally, things that are desirable in football and that denote good performance. Now, you cannot predict this, of course, so it's basically a guessing game. However, you can make estimates of how pretty much somebody can perform. For example, I know Mo Salah and Haaland are generally good choices since they in general have good performance, since they are really good players in real life. So they are kind of safe bets, especially for team captains. However, of course, something can happen during the season. Either Haaland or Salah can get an injury, for example, an ankle injury, and then they might miss a few games, which means they will be pretty much down for the count, and you won't earn any points from their games because they won't play in them, of course. Now, that is how you earn some points, and the way you can maximize your points in FPL is by, of course, building the best team and by pretty much managing your team throughout the season based on the player's performance. If you see some player's performance is quite bad, let's say for a certain period of time during the season, for example, let's say 4 or 5 weeks, you can easily transfer him and transfer a new player in. However, if somebody is playing well enough, you can keep them. Of course, that doesn't mean they'll play well until the end of the season. However, that is pretty much the basics of how you earn points in Fantasy Premier League. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys in another video.